Hello, my unique queens. Kiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be taking this maxi sports dress and turning it into a jumpsuit. But before we get started, if you are not subscribed and are not one of the queens of the unique queens, to go ahead and hit that subscription button. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this upcycling of this maxi dress. First thing you want to do that I did not show in the video is mark where your hips start, because that's where your pants will start, of course. And then you want to turn it inside out and you want to line up the side seams. This dress made it super easy to line up the side seams because, as you can see, right on each side there was a different color, a different fabric. So all I had to do was line up those different fabrics. Then what you want to do is take your favorite pair of leggings, jeggings, jeans, however, you want it to be kind of tight if you're going to make yours tight. So I have a pair of jeggings here. I have them folded in half with the back crotch seam out as far as it will go. And then all I'm going to do is line it up with the center seam with the crotch seam outward. So right now I'm working and sketching a line that you can't see, but it's about an inch away from the jeggings themselves, so that way I have plenty of seam allowance, and to make sure that I did not make this too tight for myself. And as you can see, I'm just simply sketching. Now what you want to do is, once you get up to the pants, you want to bring it outward. Now if the back part is too big for you, you want to cut all the way up the back and re-sew a back seam. Now that I have traced out both the front and the back, you're now going to cut that out, or you can just trace that back and copy to the front. So as you can see, I cut out my back part with my crotch area, and I'm simply going to fold it over because I felt like this would be the best way to do it. Your back crotch seam is the deepest, so I feel like you cannot go wrong with having more than not enough. And then once I line those up, I simply cut that as well. Now as you can see, I have it still inside out, but I have now turned my side seams to the side, put both pants legs together, and I'm simply going to pin the inner portion of my pants legs, and then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine. Since I do not have a serger sewing machine, I am going to do a straight stitch first and then a zigzag stitch to help secure and lock this in. And since it is stretch fabric, zigzag stitches are key, so that way if you do stretch it, you won't be busting any seams. After you've sewn that, it is the last step, and now your jumpsuit is all complete. I absolutely love this. I did not make it too tight, so I'm able to get into it without adding a zipper. And for me, I may wear it as is, or I may add a belt or some kind on it. I don't know, but right now I'm loving it as is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.